Hi everyone. Before I start the new topic, so I try to recap what we learned. Before this, I already told you if we are given a positive point charge, if I want to draw the electric field lines, what I'm going to do, right? Because of the definition of electric field is actually F over Q naught, and this Q naught always stand for positive test charge. So in order to draw the direction of electric field line, so what I'm going to do, I always put positive test charge at any point surrounding the point charge here. So positive, okay, we found that this test charge try to repel it. Okay, positive charge, positive, they try to repel. So the force on the positive test charge will be going outward. So this direction also indicate the exact direction of the electric field for positive point charge. Ini arahnya. So you should know electric field lines for positive point charge will be going out. But what happened to this? What if you are given a negative point charge? So same thing, because of the definition of electric field, so at any point surrounding the negative point charge, so what I do, I put a positive test charge. Positive, negative, always this charge will being attracted towards here, right? So this direction indicate the direction of the electric field. So you found that the direction of the electric field for negative point charge will be going in. Right? So this one is the basic. We have already recapped. Then next thing, what do we do? So this one is today objective. You need to know how to draw or how to sketch the electric field pattern. Or sometimes the question will ask the electric field diagram or electric field lines for two charges which we bring close together. So how you're going to sketch or draw those things here. So what you're going to do, for example, given Q1, this one Q1, given this one Q1, this one Q2, given Q1 with positive Q1, positive 1 microcoulomb, and Q2 given negative 1 microcoulomb. So here, in order to draw this, there are several rules that you should know. That is, the first rule, the number of electric field lines. You should know always proportional to the magnitude of the charge. Okay? Always proportional to the magnitude of the charge. Maksudnya apa? Contohnya dekat sini. Charge untuk ini 1 kan? Q1. Q2 pun 1. Jadi maksudnya bilangan garisan medan magnet yang saya kena lukis mestilah sama. Contoh, ini saya lukis 6 lah. Saya lukis 6 for example. Okay. So you see positive, negative always being attracted. So I must draw, there is a line which connected these two charges. And as I told you before, I'm going to remember positive person always is an outgoing people. So the direction of the electric field lines for positive point charge always going out and then going in negative. Alright, so this one is the first line that I have. This one second line, third line, and then I draw another three here. So total up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how about this? This one, okay. 1, 2, 3. I have to draw another 3. I have to draw another 3. Okay. I should draw it properly. So you see, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I must make sure also there is 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's it. Alright? Don't forget, you must have the arrow. Alright? So this one, our first important rules. Second rules will be, alright, second rules will be the electric field lines never, N-E-V-E-R, never intersect. Okay, maksudnya contohnya garisan ni dengan ini tak pernah bertemu. Okay, jangan kamu lukis mereka bertemu, jangan. Alright, so that's how we draw this. Alright, so this one simple question, but how about you are given this? So the two rules you should know when you sketch the diagram here. So what if in the question you are given positive 2q, and then this one negative q. What if you are given, sorry, this one positive q. So as we know, if we bring these two charges close together, positive, repel, right? Repel means at the middle here, the resultant electric field should be 0. Means you can't draw any lines in between like the first diagram. Alright, so never draw a line here, right? So in order to show it's actually repel, okay, so our line, something like this, and two lines seem quite weird, so what you're going to do, okay, class, two lines seem too weird. So for example here, madam draw five lines here. Alright, actually minimum lines, okay, that make it not too weird, you can minimum lines you can draw 4 lah, so that is look not weird lah, right? But I prefer 5, for example here. So this one, okay, so draw the arrow properly. Remember, positive point charge, the electric field lines always always going out. Okay. So I have this. Okay. So you see, never have some line in between here because resultant, the middle here, the resultant electric field here should be 0. Alright. But before that, one more important thing. Since, you see, we talk about magnitude, okay? We talk about what we say just now, the first rule. The number of electric field lines always proportional to magnitude of charge. Ini maksudnya positif 1Q kan. Ini pula positif 2Q. Maksudnya bilangan kat sini, bilangan electric field line here should be double of this one. Double maksudnya apa? Contohnya, ini you lukis 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Garisan yang di sini you lukis 5 kan. Di sini 5 darab 2 kali ganda. 5 darab 2 should be 10. So you should draw 10 line here. Okay. Jadi macam mana you buat? You must make sure there is 10 lines here. Okay. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jadi ini baru jawapan kita yang betul lah. Memang pemeriksaan kira bilangan lain ni. Contohnya kalau ini you letak 4 kali 2, di sini sepatutnya 8. Alright. So that's all for this video.